Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to talk about the future in French using Futur Proche, the easiest and fastest way to speak about future events. Stay until the end because we will practice together and you will be able to talk about the future clearly and with confidence. Let's get started. When do we use the near future tense or futur proche? We use futur proche to talk about something that will happen soon or something that is already planned or decided. We use futur proche when we have an intention, we have a plan, we already decided to do something and something is going to happen very soon. The formula is pronom sujet plus the conjugated form of the verb aller plus infinitive verb. The verb aller in French works like to be going to be going to in English. So, how do we conjugate the verb aller? Listen and repeat after me. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. One more time. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now, let's make real sentences. I'm going to watch a movie tonight. Je vais regarder un film ce soir. I'm going to. I, le pronom sujet, je. I am going to, je vais. Going to be going to, the conjugated form of the verb aller, which is vais for I. Je vais to watch, the infinitive form of the verb watch, which is regarder. Je vais regarder un film ce soir. I'm going to watch a movie tonight. We are going to travel this summer. Oui, nous allons voyager cet été. Nous allons voyager cet été. We are going to. Nous allons to travel, voyager this summer, cet été. She's going to visit her family. She's going to. Elle va to visit, visiter sa famille. Now we are going to practice. I'll say the sentence in English and you will say it in French. Let's go. I'm going to watch a movie tonight. I'm going to watch a movie tonight. I, which means je, le pronom sujet, je in French. Je. I'm going to, which is the conjugated form of the verb aller. For I, je vais. Je vais. To watch a movie tonight. To watch, the infinitive form of the verb to watch in French, which is regarder a movie tonight, which is je vais regarder un film ce soir. We are going to travel this summer. We are going to travel this summer. We, nous, are going to, again, the conjugated form of the verb aller for nous. Nous allons, to travel, the infinitive form of the verb to travel, which is voyager this summer cet été. Nous allons voyager cet été. You are going to learn French every day. You, le pronom sujet you, which is tu, are going to, the conjugated form of the verb aller for tu, which is va, to learn the infinitive form of the verb to learn in French, which is apprendre. French every day. Le français tous les jours. So, you are going to learn French every day. Tu vas apprendre le français tous les jours. They are going to play football this weekend. They are going to play football this weekend. They, ils are going to, vont to play, jouer football this weekend. Au football ce weekend. Ils vont jouer au football ce weekend. They are going to play football this weekend. Ils vont jouer au football ce weekend. Well done. Great job today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.